Ayan guys, magbe-bake tayo ng banana bread. So, I have 3 bananas and 1/3 cup ng butter. 3/4 cups of sugar. Brown sugar, pinaghalo ko. Tapos, 3 eggs. Dapat 2 eggs lang, pero dinagdagan ko para mas malasa. And then, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then, ito na po yung flour, all-purpose flour. Yan, paghalo-haloin na yan. Paghalo-haloin na yan. Yan, ay halo-halo na konti. Ayan, luto na guys.